you might be trying to figure out how you can replace the film on your Fujifilm camera as well. That's another really important part. Now on the back side of your Instax camera, you'll see this little compartment right over here. Now to replace your film, what you're going to want to do is you want to grab this particular compartment right over here, and you want to go ahead and basically bring this thing down this way. So when you do that, you'll be able to see your area where your film will basically be located. So now what you can do is you can go through and you can basically just put in that particular film right inside of this particular area right over there. So put in the film, it should show you exactly how to put it in on that film box, and that is basically all you're going to have to do there. Then when you're ready, you can close the compartment, you can figure out where your film is kind of located right there, and that is basically how you can go through and put in the film that way.